Hello, 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 all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Today is my day to get some crocheting done, get my craft room cleaned up after all the holiday makes, and just have a chill day, hopefully. This video, I have a book look through, but before we do our book look, Um, I wanted to just remind you that tomorrow at 2 p.m. Central Time will be our live and for Battle of the Stitches. And let's see, I want to check something real quick. Yeah, we'll be at 2 p.m. Central, 3 p.m. Eastern. We will have our live for Battle of the Stitches, and Heather will be letting us know whose project got the most votes. And then she will also be um, letting us know. Whoops, let me turn that down. Sorry. She will also be picking one name from everyone who voted, and whoever's name she picks, that person is going to get to choose one of the um, projects as their prize. And I need to look up something real quick. Let's see. I should have looked this up already. Okay, so it'll be me, Heather from Strings and Threads, and then Jana Kay from Leave It to Stitches. And we will all three be coming on again at 2 p.m. Central, 3 p.m. Eastern. So come join us tomorrow afternoon. We're usually not on for the live 30 to 45 minutes. That's about the limit that we do. So remember that tomorrow. And tomorrow's New Year's Eve. So um, usually, usually on New Year's Eve we get together with our church group and we have a game night and we ring in the New Year. So that's probably what we're going to be doing tomorrow night after Bible study. And so I'm not sure what the video will be Thursday or Friday. Oh, excuse me. Uh, my nose is itching this morning. And also, you guys pray for me that I don't get sick. So far, so good. Um, just about my side of the family, we get together at my sister's for Christmas. And just about half, I would say half of us that were there have already caught the flu and stomach bug. I have not yet. Um, and and I think, well, my husband has gotten sick two different times. He got sick before Christmas and he got sick the other night and stayed home from work yesterday. He went back to work today feeling better. But so far, I have not gotten sick. Knock on wood. So, y'all help me pray that I do not get this mess because I've got way too much to do and I do not have time to be sick. Um, so yeah, and it's awful. It's the worst flu I think I've ever seen from from my family getting it. Every morning I wake up since Christmas and I get a new text with them telling me somebody else has got it. Somebody else has got it. So, and I credit not getting sick, first of all, to the good Lord looking over me. But number two, I have been taking these supplements and I know that's what's doing it. I know that's what's keeping me from getting sick because I've been around everybody so far that's gotten sick and I've not gotten even so much as a sniffle. And I've gotten two of the supplement, well, I've three of them. I got right off of Amazon. Um, the other one you could probably get anywhere, but I get it. I take a vitamin B complex, 150 milligrams every day. And I get that at GNC, my local GNC store. So I take that. I take taurine, Taurine. I take nattokinase, and then I also take turmeric. I believe it's the taurine, the nattokinase, and the B12 complex that's keeping me from getting sick. Um, I used to, I'd be like, I don't need to take supplements. I'm not getting and taking all that mess. Y'all, it works. And I will, if I remember to, I will link, especially guys, the taurine, the nattokinase, and the B12 complex. Um, you need to be getting those. And I will put the Amazon links to the taurine and the nattokinase. I'll put the link for those in the description box. Y'all, get on them. Get on them and get on the B12 because it's helping me. And like I said, I I I was even over taking care of my mother who had it. Never, I still don't have it. So, and I'm just praying that I don't. So anyway, yeah, we got the flu bug going on rampant around this area where I am. I don't know if you guys have it really bad in your area, but it is hitting us hard. When I took my mom to the ER Sunday, um, our ER was packed full of people that were sick. Yeah, it was bad. So anyway, make sure that you watch our live tomorrow, and we'll just see what happens Thursday and Friday. Now, and I hope you guys have a very happy new year. Um, and I cannot believe Thursday will be the 1st of January. Absolutely blows my mind that this year went by as fast as it did. Um, let's see. Excuse me. Next week, next Monday, which will be the 5th, that is when I will be putting out the part one for members only for the first part of our crochet along that I'm doing only with my members. That comes out Monday. And then on Tuesday, I will have a video out for everyone, for all my subscribers, for the crochet along that I'm doing with everyone. So Monday will be the first video for members only crochet along. Tuesday will be the video for everyone to join in on the crochet along that I'm doing with everybody. So stay tuned for those. The um, the members only crochet along is once a month. The video that I show you on for our members on Monday, you will have a whole month to complete that part. And then the first Monday of every month is when I'll give you the next part each month. This one for members is going to be a year-long crochet along. And you'll get the next instructions on the first Monday of every month. Okay? The one that I'm doing for all my subscribers will be every Tuesday. Every Tuesday, you will get the next part to the crochet along. This one for subscribers, for everyone, is not going to be a year long. Um, we are making a scrap blanket, and each week I am going to give you a new stitch to use in that blanket, and you're going to make 4 rows of that stitch. You'll have a week to make those 4 rows. And then the next Tuesday, I'll give you another stitch tutorial and you'll add that with 4 rows. So it'll be, and we will just continue that every Tuesday until we get the blanket the length that we want. Okay. So I'm not sure when that's going to end. We'll just have to play that by ear and see what happens. So that's coming up Monday and Tuesday next week. And then Wednesday will be our first Battle of the Stitches for 2026. That will be, let me get my calendar out here. I wrote down who. Joining us in January will be Lori from Lori's Stories and Crochet and Charity from Frog Crochet. And we are going to be doing stitch number, I believe it's 26. Yes, we will be doing stitch number 26, the turtle stitch. This is the stitch we will be doing on Wednesday, the 7th. Yeah. So stay tuned for that. I'll be giving up, we'll each, myself, Heather, Lori, and Charity, we will all put out a video showing you the tutorial for that stitch. So stay tuned for that. So that's all the updates. Now, let's get to our book look. I was able to get a free book once again from Thrift Books. I shop with them. I love getting books from them. And this book is called Crochet, The Weekend Crafter Crochet 20 Simple Stylish Designs to Wear. And you guys know how much I love to make wearables. That vest looks really cute. And it's by Jane Davis. Now, there was an original book, and I read this in the front of this. The original book by Jane Davis was done in 1959. This is a 2001 remake of her book, and it was updated to more to the more modern from how it was updated to 2001. I'll get it out in a minute. So it's an updated version of the 59 one with the more updated stitches and different things. So this book is really cool. I was flipping through it the other day, and what it has in it, it says why crochet may be the perfect craft. So there's a little blurb in there about that. Um, she goes through the basic tools that you need to crochet. Then there's a section on types of yarn and their textures. She describes the different weights of yarn. She goes through the terminology that you come across in patterns and what they mean. Um, it also shows you with pictures the basic stitches and how to do them, how to hold your yarn. Um, then there's a section on how to join to make a ring, how to crochet in rows so you don't miss stitches. Then she gets into more advanced stitches like back post and front post, changing colors. There's also a chart that shows you the abbreviations, and it shows you crochet hook sizes, US metric and UK, and then US terms compared to the UK terms. She has those charts in there. And then it gets into the projects. This one I want to make. So stinking cute. And if it's a quick make, if it's something that goes together quickly, this may be something I make for like my summer vendor event that I do. So this is called the Enhanced Evening Bag. Isn't that pretty? And I'm not sure what that stitch is. It looks like the Suzette stitch, but I'm not really sure. Um, but it's really pretty. So there's that one. Then they have the jewel tone scarf and hat. And let me see, that's made with worsted weight mohair yarn. Hmm. And that looks like mile a minute. That scarf looks just like mile a minute. That's what it looks like to me. Don't know. Haven't looked that close at the pattern. And then she shows how to autumn leaves applique, and she put that around on a vest and did some trim, which is cute. This is a mini belt bag. And I thought, when I first read this, I thought, belt bag? You need a little bag to keep your belt in? No, that's not what it is. It is a bag that you wear on the side of your belt to keep things in. Okay, so that's cute. Um, let's see. This is the fern forest scarf and fern leaf mittens. Let's see the next one. These are cute. It's just rainbow pocket accents. You can make these and make little pockets out of them. Let's see. The confetti backpack I think is really cute. That's called the confetti backpack. See if I can get that glare off of it. There we go. A little bit better. Confetti backpack. Um, star hat. The tailored vest. Beaded draped amulet pouch. Isn't that pretty? And she also has a section in the front of the book that shows you step by step how to add beads to your crochet work. So that's pretty neat. I've got lots of beads and I want to try that at some point, adding beads into my work. The lined tank top, or lined linen, sorry, linen tank top. Fair Isle slipper socks. That is a lot of color work, guys. A lot of color changes in that one. Let's see. Well, the pages won't turn. V-neck inset. So you can make a little, if you have a shirt. I have a couple of shirts like this that just are, I don't wear them because they cut down too low. So I could make that and fix that top where I could start wearing those shirts. Those would be easy to do. Quick and easy. Classic cable scarf and hat. No, ma'am. It's pretty, but I don't do cables. They drive me nuts. You guys, there may be some of you out there that love cables. I do not. So I won't be doing this pattern because no. Cables and me do not get along. Open work sweater vest. That's what was on the front. I think that's pretty. And we're back to 30-degree, 20-degree weather after having 70-degree weather over Christmas. So I need to make this vest. And then that was the last pattern. And then they've got a stitch symbols and what they mean and how to make them. She goes into more detailed, like how to do ribbing, pebble stitch, seed stitch, um, V shells, diamond stitch, open seed stitch, or double crochet open work, fillet crochet. And that's it. So yeah, I'm really excited to dig into this book and make something. So let me know which one you like the best out of this. What was your favorite that I showed you? Mine, I'm pretty sure, is that purse that was the first thing. The purse and then that vest that I showed at the last. Those are my two favorites out of the book. So let me know in the comments what your favorites are. Let me know what you're going to be doing for New Year's. Do you have any special plans for New Year's Eve to ring in the new year? Let me know in the comments below. I'm going to get off of here and get some work done. And I hope to see you tomorrow at 2 p.m. Central, 3 p.m. Eastern, right here on Critters Crochet for Battle of the Stitches Live. Talk to you then and have a great day, guys.